Ready to redefine the way families explore the great outdoors? The 2026 Toyota Babyland Cruiser is here to make big adventure dreams fit into a compact, stylish, and family-friendly package. Don't let the name fool you. This baby packs serious punch with the DNA of Toyota's legendary off-road lineage, now in a more urban-friendly, affordable, and approachable format. The 2026 Babyland Cruiser is Toyota's latest innovation in the compact SUV segment, designed for those who crave rugged reliability without sacrificing everyday comfort and versatility. Inspired by the iconic Land Cruiser heritage, this scaled-down version delivers a perfect balance of adventure readiness and modern practicality. With its smaller footprint and nimble handling, it's ideal for city streets and tight trails alike, making it the perfect SUV for young families and outdoor-loving urbanites. Visually, the Babyland Cruiser captures the heart of its big sibling with a bold, squared-off silhouette, high-clearance bumpers, and retro-inspired round LED headlights. Its chunky, rugged stance is paired with modern flair. Think color-matched cladding, sleek roof rails, and optional two-tone paint jobs that nod to vintage 70s Land Cruisers. It's tough, cute, and undeniably cool. Inside, the dashboard continues the retro-modern theme with a horizontal layout and tactile physical buttons that blend classic design with today's digital convenience. A large touchscreen infotainment system floats above the dash, offering seamless access to Toyota's latest tech suite, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Thoughtfully designed storage, durable materials, and generous rear seat space make it as family-ready as it is fun. Under the hood, the Babyland Cruiser boasts a turbocharged 2.4-liter hybrid powertrain, the same gutsy engine found in the Tacoma Hybrid, delivering an impressive mix of power and fuel efficiency. With 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, it's built to climb, crawl, and cruise with authority. Paired with Toyota's proven all-wheel drive system and multi-terrain select, it handles off-road escapades just as confidently as daily school runs. And thanks to its unibody frame and refined suspension, the ride remains smooth and controlled, no matter the terrain. In a world filled with bloated SUVs and beige crossovers, the 2026 Toyota Babyland Cruiser dares to be different. It's a callback to adventure, a nod to heritage, and a leap into the future, all wrapped up in a pint-sized package with a full-size spirit.